Bonjour et bienvenue dans une nouvelle vidéo. So today I'm gonna teach you the verbs in ER. So we have many verbs in ER in French. If you start learning French, those verbs are really important and really useful. So we're gonna have a look to the conjugation and then we're gonna see some example. C'est parti! So if you are new in this channel, my name is Céline and I'm a French teacher in Australia. If you want to learn French in 2026, make sure you subscribe to not miss any video. C'est parti! So firstly, what I mean with the verb in ER. In French, we have different type of verbs and the verbs in ER are regular and you have many verbs in ER. So once you know this conjugation, you can really use many verbs every day and it's gonna help you a lot for your conversation in French. So I'm gonna give you some examples. We have marcher, to walk, travailler, to work, étudier, to study, manger, to eat, nager, to swim, etc. So have a look below this video, you will have a list of the verb in ER. Before I start explaining to you the conjugation of the verb in ER, there is one verb, is irregular, is the verb aller, to go, that we're not gonna follow the same pattern. Now let's have a look to the conjugation. Let's take for example the verb étudier. So étudier, it's a verb in ER, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the ER to keep the base of the verb. Once we have the base of the verb, we're gonna just add the right ending according to the pronoun. So for example, I want to say I study or I am studying. I study, we will say, so remember I is je, but when you have a verb starting with a vowel, it's gonna become just j. So just a j in French or j in English. So we keep the base, we add the I, and we will say j'étudie. So j'étudie, we have just the I at the end for the conjugation of I, and that's it. We're not gonna pronounce like j'ai étudié or something like that. We will just say j'étudie. Then how you will say you study. So you, one person, tu étudies. And here, when you want to conjugate a verb in ER, with the tu, you will write es. But the S is silence. So you cannot say, for example, tu étudies or something like that. We will just say tu étudies. Then we will say she studies, he studies, eventually we study, that we will conjugate as well in the same line. And we will say il étudie. And we just add one I at the base of the verb. The same with elle. Elle étudie. Elle étudie. On étudie. On étudie. So here, you can really connect with the liaison. We won't say on étudie, but more on étudie. On étudie. Just an I. So on étudie means we study, and another way to say we study, we will use the nous. And here, the conjugation with nous has to be ONS. Nous étudions. So here, with nous, we need to add ONS to the end of the base of the verb. So, nous étudions, and once again, we need to connect because nous ending with an S and the étudions start with a vowel. So we'll say nous étudions. And not nous étudions. Nous étudions. And here is really nasal. Nous étudions. Then we have the vous, which is also you, in one person formal or more than one person formal or informal. So we will say vous étudiez. And here we really need to say the e. We don't pronounce the z because ez make the sounds e. Vous étudiez. And finally, we have ils étudient. They study in a male version. Ils étudient. elles étudient. They study, female version. As you can see, we have the ENT, but be careful, the ENT, we don't pronounce it. We will just say, ils étudient, elles étudient, and here the ENT is completely silent. So if we have a look with the je, tu, il, elle singular, and il, elle plurial, actually the verb is the same pronunciation, is étudie. Now let's take another example. So we will use the verb marcher. Marcher is to walk. So for example, I want to say I walk or I am walking. So I'm gonna say je marche. You see, it's really soft. Je marche, because the E that we add is a soft E. We won't say je marchais or something like that. That can have another meaning. Donc, je marche, tu marches, I-S-N. Of course, the S is silent. Tu marches, il marche, elle marche, on marche, nous marchons, S silence, vous marchez, il marche, elle marche. And you see, once again, we just keep the base and we add the ending. I, I-S, I, O-N-S, I-Z, I-N-T. So now let's have a look to some examples. I want to say, I like coffee. So I like coffee, the verb we will use is aimer. So aimer, we remove the ER, we think about which conjugation, which ending we will use for I, and we will just keep the E, or add the E if you remove the ER. So we're gonna say aime. Now how I say I, we say in French, je. But here, because the verb aimer starts with a vowel, we're gonna drop the E of the je. So it's gonna be j'aime. J'aime. So we'll say j'aime le café. J'aime le café. Now we want to say they, when we're referring to a group of girls, and we'll say they hate apples. So the verb to hate in French is détester. They, as I say, are female group, so we will use the L with the S that we don't pronounce, and then we say elle déteste, I-N-T, elle déteste les pommes. Elle déteste les pommes. And here, be careful, is not elles détestant, déteste, something like that. The S of L is silent, the ENT is silent, so elle déteste les pommes. And now a last example, we want to say we cook a lot. We cook a lot. So we, you can use on, but here we're gonna use nous first. Nous, then the verb to cook in French is cuisiner. Cuisiner. We remove the ER, and with the conjugation of nous, we will use ONS. So we will say nous cuisinons beaucoup. Nous cuisinons beaucoup. And now is your turn to practice. So think about it, how you will say she sings. She sings. So to sing is chanter. Chanter. So you want to say she sings. So now write in the comment and I will have a look. That's it for me for today. I hope it was useful. So if you have a look below the video, you will find a list of verbs in ER. So try to make sentences with those verbs. And if you have the opportunity, ask a French speaker or a French teacher if those sentences are correct. So I hope you like it and I will see you in the next video and try to practice every day. Merci, au revoir.